Welcome to ArtBeatForce. Today I'll show you how to draw a volcano in just 5 easy steps.
चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करो पहले। हाँ जल्दी करो, मुझे पता है कि आप लोग नहीं करते, वीडियो देखते हो लेकिन सब्सक्राइब नहीं करते।
Step 1. Outline. Draw rough outlines. Base land, water, bushes, palm trees, and finally the volcano. Don't add details now. Step 2. Base colors, crayons. Fill colors lightly. Sand for land. Greens for bushes. Green plus brown for trees. Black for volcano. Red, orange, yellow for lava. Black for smoke. Blues for water and sky. Leave some white for highlights. Step 3. Detailing pencil colors. Use pencil colors to add shadows, texture, and sharp details. And done! Your volcano drawing is ready. Like and subscribe to ArtBeatForce for more art tutorials. Learn to draw a sakura tree in just 1 minute.